Hey guys, what is up and welcome to my channel. My name's Chris and today we're going to stress test this 1/4" Craftsman gunmetal ratchet made in Taiwan. We're going to put it up against this Chinese made 1/4" Craftsman ratchet, this USA made Craftsman ratchet, and we're going to compare it to this Pittsburgh Pro and see how they stack up on this digital torque meter. So guys, let's go check it out and see what happens. Alright, so just trying this out by hand. Let's see what we can do. That's impressive. Nice. 54.6 foot-pounds. All right. You got to break that thing. There we go. 46.4. Next up is the Craftsman 1/4" China-made ratchet. Let's see what we can do. All right, so we can't break that one due to the length being
significantly shorter.
What you can see is significantly shorter. So we're gonna have to pull out that cheater bar.
You ready? That's completely destroyed.
If we take a look at that there, we can see that literally stripped apart right inside there. As you can see, that snapped off right inside there. Focus. And up next we have the Craftsman made in America. All right, give it all you got. All right. Okay.
Go.
As we can see there, snapped clean off. Yep, that was clean off. And the last ratchet up is the 1/4" Craftsman gunmetal ratchet.
This one's pretty tough.
45. Really wanted to see you break that. Let's just...
Get it.
detent mechanism, it locks up and then you can't get it out. There you go. You can see that we cracked that right off. So guys, some really interesting results. We'll take a look at the Pittsburgh Pro first. This was the weakest out of all the ratchets. This is also the cheapest. This is a 72 tooth composite ratchet, and this is made in Taiwan. Followed up by our made in Taiwan 120 tooth, or 120 position actually, Craftsman ratchet. And then for our winners here, we had our made in America Craftsman ratchet coming in at 69 foot-pounds. And then our final, and this was a real surprise to me, guys, this is made in China, and this ratchet was our winner at 69.7 foot-pounds. So why don't you guys let me know what your thoughts were in the comments down below, what you thought was going to be the strongest ratchet, and if this was a surprise to you. And as always, guys, work smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next video.